Hello dear students, as we have given routines to write midterm exam, that is from 8 August, which is tomorrow. For this midterm exam, since we have to conduct it online or offline, we have chosen to do it online. To help you to do that, we bring to you a test website where we will provide you the link for all the subjects separately on the particular days and date and time. With that link, you have to log in and you need to enter a password which will be provided in the group. You have to be very careful to write your name, roll number and class. Please, you write your correct name which is registered in our school register. Please don't use the short form of your name. Now, regarding your midterm exam, since it is online, after you get the link exactly at 8 o'clock on exam days, you have to log in and enter the password. For that, it is 1 hour, that is 8 to 9. And one thing is what, you won't be able to see the timing, that how much time it is gone or left. Like in previous classes, when I was taking the multiple choice questions, the time was mentioned there, so within that time countdown will be there. But for this midterm exam, countdown won't be there, but the timing is only 1 hour, that is 8 to 9, 8 am to 9 am. After 9 am, the link will be deactivated. That means you won't be able to write anything and you won't be able to submit. Okay, now, so what you have to do is what? Before 9 means you have to look at your watch and the time, or wherever you want to see the time. Exactly before 9 you need to submit that portal, okay, that website. So submit option also will be there. Now, all the questions, some questions are multiple choice questions and some questions are 1 mark, 2 marks or 3. Maximum it will go for 4 or 5 marks. And since you know that exam will be conducted in 2 phases, so first phase the pattern and the second phase pattern almost the similar. Okay, now for the multiple choice questions, 4 options will be there, but the link won't be there to click it. Okay, you need to write answer A or B or C or D, whatever options will be there. The right answer only you need to write there. Okay, place will be there with the questions to write the answer, like short answer or long answer. There place will be there with the questions. Okay, so what you have to do is what, you have to read the questions and you have to write the answer there in the mobile only. Okay, that means I am not telling you to write the answers in the paper for all the subjects, for all the subjects apart from maths and Hindi. Okay, so for science, SS, English, grammar or EE, you have to type the answer in the mobile. Okay, whatever answer will be there, you have to type it and within the given time period you have to submit. These are the information apart from maths and Hindi. Okay, for maths and Hindi, since you are not able to do there, what you have to do is what, we will send you the question paper in WhatsApp in a group, and the questions will be there. That questions solutions you need to do it, you have to do in your A4 size paper. You have to do on A4 size paper, and each and every paper you need to write your name and roll number. Again, in each and every paper you need to write your name and roll number. Okay, now within that 1 hour, 8 to 9, so within that 1 hour you have to solve all the solutions, and you need to send to my, if it is maths then in my personal number, or if it is Hindi then Sir Tarun's personal number that all of you have already. Okay, I hope it is clear. For maths and Hindi, you have to write it. Maths you have to solve in the A4 size paper, and Hindi you have to write the answer in the A4 size paper. Okay, and that paper you will click the photo, and that photo you will send if it is maths, so in my number, okay, in my WhatsApp number, and if it is Hindi then Sir Tarun's WhatsApp number. Okay, these are the basic information that you were very much confused how to write your midterm exam. So I hope doubts is clear about the exam pattern and the procedure. Okay, please take it seriously because it is your midterm exam. At the end, wish you all the luck for your midterm exam.